Well, hello, it's Bear's back. I thought we'd see about gutting this this MAKO lock, this SFIC, and since it had a clip on the back, I just pushed the clip off, and I guess we're going to try to gut it like a regular cylinder. One thing I did find interesting, I don't know if you can see that. This front pin, let's see if I can get it in there. It looks like kind of a spool on the front pin. The way I was seeing it when I was really looking at it, it kind of looked like that, like an arrowhead, you know, and like a thinner shaft. But we'll find out in just a minute. I thought about doing this, you know, the regular way and knocking these out, and I thought, well, let's try to go to the back, and I got two ways of doing this. I can use the key. Well, I'm going to use the key anyway, but I can turn it where, you know, I turn the key where the key pins sit right around in here somewhere, and I can just push and gut it from the back, or I can try taking this 7-pin best core plug and using it as the follower and running it through, you know, keeping the key pins up, and then pull them front to back. So I might just try this for a follower, and if that doesn't go, I'll do it the other way. So let's give it a shot anyway. That went all the way through because it doesn't have that back plate on. Oh no, it doesn't go there. It goes right about there. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. And it ran all the way through. I should have known that was going to happen. Let's see. Okay. Should I use a shim? It's got a gap. I don't know. We're going to try. I'm nervous as crap on this one. Uh-oh. I'm not seeing it go. Okay. Got a shim in there. I know it's kind of dark. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. Guys, I'm colorblind, so I can't tell what kind of light I need here. So you got all these couple of adjustments, and my hands may be blue now. I don't know. Okay, here it comes. And I think we got that out. So, I jumped them too far. Okay, get them all in there. Get them where they go. There's your key pins. Let's see what we got, guys. Wow, I am nervous as heck. It is. 2. And I'm not too worried about doing this, guys, because I have the keys and I can read the cuts and just do the calculations on them with the best calculator, you know, the best pin calculator, and do the cut reads and stuff like that. So we got pretty much a straight everything cylinder, and wow, we got some interesting pins here, guys. I'm going to show these to you right now before we go up top. And that's what that is. That's a spooled key pin. A standard, kind of not as spooled, but not as fully spooled, and another fully spooled, and a couple more standards. That's pretty cool. I like those pins. They're pretty cool pins, man. Now, how they actually would work in the lock, I don't know. Man, just turn around for me, will you? Now, here comes my scary part. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go, guys. I'm a-fearing. Because I'm shaking, and I need to... I might need to turn that just a little bit more. Not too much more, but just a little bit more. So I can push right on the center. Ooh, don't run too fast. Okay, here comes my first, which would be the middle. It's coming off the front, so that would be right there. And then, oh, your tail pin. Dang, slippery little sucker. And it came out like that. Wow, that's interesting. I'll get these springs later, guys. Hopefully. All right. That had a small wafer there, and this one came out just like that also. That's reduced diameter. Ooh, I'm banging in the camera with the back end of this thing, and I'm so, man, I need more light in there. So this blind old eye is just, okay, you got a small wafer. I can get that without losing it. And we got, oh man, got a regular, it looks like. And we have to go all the way from the front because you got a big notchy thing in the back here. Oh, that's shot out. Well, like I said, I can figure out where these go, and that looked like that came out first, so. But I can find out. Oh, would you quit? Yeah, I know that because the other ones go that way, so they're all going to be done pretty much the same. Oh man, I'm trying to see what I'm doing, guys. I'm trying to keep it in camera, so this is going to be hard. And now I got to move it just a little bit so I can get down in here. Come on. There it comes up. And another one of those. And a standard above it. And the last one. Ladies and gentlemen, come on up out of there. Ah, it just popped up. All right. That would be this. And then this. Hello, spool on top. So let's get all your pins out. are your springs. There we go. Here's all the springs. They're all the same, so come on, guys. Hip out. Go where you're supposed to go. Alrighty. I know this is going to be long because it takes me forever to gut anything. I'm not that talented, but I want you to see what these look like. Get that. That one just doesn't want to lay still in the trough, but it's reduced. That one's reduced, standard, reduced, and then a spool down there at the end. And then you got a serrated, standard, standard, serrated, serrated, serrated for this lock. And those are cool pins, man. It's going to be quite enjoyable putting this back together, you know. So, yeah. But there you go, guys. That's the gutting of the of the MAKO SFIC 6-pinner. You know, they're really cool pins, and I really like the way they're done. I just like to see them maybe later, see how they interact in real use. So, like picking it and see how it feels. So, yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.